And my friend also just suggested me, you just learn this Tosca application. Present as a market is providing that, so that's why I take this course.
Okay. Are you from location?
Vishakhapatnam.
Oh, okay. So yesterday we have started little basics like why we have to choose Tosca and what is the importance of Tosca. Quickly repeat the things and for you, Akbar, I will take one class for manual testing. Okay,
Okay.
so I will cover that topic for you, like related to how to create a test cases and all. Like remaining, they were already they know manual testing.
No, ma'am.
So
Actually,
only
already yesterday video was shared, ma'am. Anusha.
okay, yeah, okay. Uh, but you are new to the IT field, right? You don't know even manual testing also. So
Okay.
concepts of manual testing. To learn the automation little bit, we have to learn the manual topics also. So for
Okay.
that sake, I will like we have a topic of manual testing in Tosca automation. Like we can create manual cases here. So before going to that, we will discuss few topics related to the manual test case, like how we will create a test case using Zira,
Okay.
and also with Excel, how we will create a test cases and all. And some of the testings like manual testing, regression testing, sanity, smoke. So these also we will discuss. Okay.
Okay.
So we will start with like some features of Tosca automation and how we will get the requirements, how we will create our test cases based upon this requirements. So already you people have a knowledge of SDLC and STLC, right? These concepts you are aware of. Maybe only Akbar, you don't know the things. Okay. Uh, can anyone tell me about what is SDLC?
No, yeah, what unit like STLC or STLC?
SDLC.
STLC is software development life cycle.
Yes.
That relates how the development is going on, what need to do, like how the application testing we have to do. Each and everything will go with the with that application, like STLC.
Yes. Actually, yeah, yours is correct only. So,
So
yeah,
yeah,
tell me.
if it is STLC, that relates the testing life cycle, like
Yeah,
like what are the test cases we have to figure out, and how the bug life cycle will go, and then which we have to fix the pending retest and verified how to close the assigned open, like that. No, it will go on.
yes, yes. So the STLC complete part of testers only. But in SDLC, uh, our involvement will be there, right? Quickly, we will revise the things. Okay. So here, actually, So we will take the requirements from the client. Who will collect the requirements, Andy? Usually, from the client side, the requirements will collect by business analyst. So he will interact with the client. He will collect all the details, whatever the requirements actually, like why the requirements needed. So whenever a client need any application, he will reach out to the software people, like to develop the application, and he will collect that application with some features. Like suppose it's any insurance or healthcare department, they want to develop their application. So that time they will approach some MNCs for their project. They will discuss with them and they will explain about their project, right? So once it was done, whoever the business analyst in the MNC, they will collect all the requirements. They will collect the document from the client. Based upon that requirement document only, developer will develop the application. Okay. So once the requirements was collected, so analysis part will done. Okay. So after this, they will design the application, like how it will be look like. Look and feel of application is very important to submit to the client. So they will design as per the client requirement. So once it was done, the developer will develop the application using some programming languages. So after this, our part will come. Like the testers will test the application and they will deploy the application. So after deploying, so we need to maintain that for like, see, if we are buying any product, for that product, we will have a warranty, right? Warranty and guarantee will be there, right? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So same like that, whenever the client approaches to develop the software, for the client also, we need to provide some warranty. Like we have to give service for them. Like if any issues, like our aspect is, whenever the application was using by the customer, he know like they won't get any trouble with the application. That is our main goal. So the developer also develop in that aspect. Even our testers also, they will test the application in that prospect only. After submitting to the client also, they will do the testing, like user accept testing also, they will also perform, and then only they will release their application to the customer. Okay. See, for example, if we are taking the any red bus or any application, see, this red bus owner reached one MNC company and they have some requirements. Like, see, this is my app. In here, we need to give the customers bus tickets, train tickets for any place. So wherever they want to go, so that comfort, like, see, what are the buses available, what are the trains available, number of seating, price, everything need to be applicable, need to be visible in my app. Okay, this is the client requirement. So this complete requirement will collected by the business analyst. Then later he will give to the analysis team. So they will analyze and they will design the application. Once after it done, they will give that application format like flowcharts and design sheets to the developer. Based upon that design, see, first they will take the blueprint of the application, like your account will be there, your help will be there, somewhere here sign in will be there, so bus tickets here, logo should be like this. Some of the cine actors, some they have their own creativity, right? So they will explain everything, each and everything. So based upon that only they will design the template. So after designing that, they will provide a life for this application. Life in the sense they will create, like see, when in analysis state and like in designing state, there is no, like if we are clicking on account, it won't navigate to another page. Okay, the developer gives a life to the application by developing, like by creating the application with the help of code. Okay, so this complete process was done, like designing is completed. Then what tester will do, he will test the application. Like the train tickets was, like if we are clicking train tickets, suppose you are getting bus tickets when you are clicking train tickets. So it is issue, right? So that we need to fix. That we need to fix, and we need, like that is a issue we need to raise to the developer. Again, they will rewrite the code for exact thing. Like whenever we are clicking bus tickets, only bus tickets need to be visible. Whenever we are clicking train tickets should be visible. So that is the way the developer fixes the issue, and they will send it to the tester again. So again, the tester will test the application. Each and every scenario is working fine. After this confirmation, they will deploy the application to the client. So once after deploying the application to the client, so they won't stop developing the application. Continuously, they were adding new things to the application with the client require, with the help of client. Client has so many thoughts and all, right? So based upon the thoughts, regularly they were updating the application. Before it was not like that. So they were changing the logos, they were changing the persons, and even if for Diwali and for a festival, sorry, ticket should be increased, right? So that prices they were altering. So each and every aspect they were working with together, and they were releasing the product to the client. Quality product we need to give to the client. So this complete process will be done in the SDLC. SDLC is nothing but software development life cycle. Coming to the STLC, same things will be there here in the STLC also. Here, the extra part is test execution and collecting the report will be there in software testing life cycle, and planning, analyzing, as a, like designing and writing the scripts in the sense, like if we are doing the automation part with the help of code, we need to write the programming structure. Like whenever we are uh, using that program, so we can handle the application, like we can able to click the control, all we can do with the help of code. Even the testers also, they will manage the coding part. Okay, once after developing the coding part, they will execute the test cases. Okay, so once the test cases was completed, they will collect the report and they will give to the clients. Okay, this is the way the STLC will go. Okay, this is the basic concept. In every like every automation tool, the testers need to be follow these rules. So whenever you are getting a requirement, first you need to analyze that requirement. Okay, suppose your requirement is, I need to click on the bus tickets. Okay, so I will write some requirements here. So our application is, I need to work with red bus. Okay, this is my application. So here I need to book a ticket from Hyderabad to Delhi. So I will book a ticket, train ticket, okay? So now what I have to do for to book a ticket? First I need to open the application, right? So for open application, we need to have URL. So URL in the sense, the address of the application. Okay. So I need to get this URL. Who will provide this URL, Andy? The application URL, who will provide us?
Developers will.
Yes, good. So developer will provide the application URL. So how he will get the URL? Why? How he will get means he was creating the application, right? Completely he was designing the URL. Also he will design completely. Okay, there will be a DevOps team. The developers and the DevOps they will work together and they will design the application and they will make the application will work properly. So we will, whenever we are getting the application URL, okay, in customer aspect we need to verify. Okay, if I'm a customer, I need to book a train ticket for Hyderabad to Delhi. What I will do, first I will log into the application, right? So I need to log into the application. So for that I need the URL.
I think
Disconnected, right?
Hamlata got disconnected. The network issue. Emma, are you saying anything? We are not able to hear your voice.
Voice not audible, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. It is in mute. Sorry. So once I log in into the application, I need to click on the train ticket logo. Okay. So then only I'm able to see that page, right? So after going to click on that train tickets, so I will get this page. Okay. So here I need to give from and to and when I need to travel, the date I should be confirm, and if any cancellation, like suppose I changed my plan, I need to go for some after 2 days or 3 days. Okay, then if I'm canceling in the last minute also, I'm able to get my amount back. So that facility also they will give for us. So that also I need to select. So after giving all these details, so I need to go for Hyderabad to Delhi. Maybe so I will plan for tomorrow. Okay. So I will click on the search trends. So suppose when I am testing the application, if I am facing any issue here, I need to be interact with the developers and I need to be fix this and we need to continue the testing. So this is the way we have to test the application. This process, like however I'm like clicking on the bus tickets and typing the from and to and selecting the date and clicking the search buses. These are these are all comes under the manual testing part. Okay, completely I am doing. So whenever I am doing this with the help of any automation tool, then we call it as a automation testing. Okay. So in this, why Tosca is that much importance means it is completely scriptless, codeless tool. Single line of code also not needed for this Tosca. Okay. That is why some of the organizations, so they were preferring Tosca automation even without any knowledge. Just they have only basic knowledge with computer. They can also easily work with Tosca. That much easy to work with this tool. Okay. Only you need a complete control on the mouse. Like, complete control how to work with a mouse, how to drag and drop. That much is needed. Okay. And most of the concepts are related to the programming language only. Like here with Selenium, we call it as a elements. Here we call it as a controls. Okay. And the recovery scenarios, if condition, loops, for loop. So all the concepts are similar to the programming language. But here we are not writing any code here. Okay. And one more thing. Here we are using demo webshop for our hands-on experience. Why we are choosing the demo webshop in a sense, like the Tricentis, they have developed this application. Like whenever we are able to work with the Tricentis, it has some rules. Okay, what are the rules? Definitely the browser should be 100%. Okay, if you are able to change this resolution, okay, so you are not able to work with the application. Okay, I will show you why we are not able to work with the application. Okay, first of all, first we keep the application to 100%. Okay, so this is the 100% application. Okay, when I am planning to get the control to my Tosca, here no need to write any code. Okay, just whatever the control you need to get into your Tosca, just you go there and just click on that. Okay, automatically it will come to your XScan wizard. And one more thing, observe the top, the login button name is displaying on the top of the cursor, right? Are you observing that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So whenever you are clicking this, automatically your control should be appear on the XScan. Okay. So when I'm saving and closing, automatically that control we will get to our Tosca. See, so we got it. So only this we need to do with the Tosca application. So one more thing, whenever I am changing this resolution, okay, so now it is 120%. Even if it is less also, it won't work. I will show you what exactly it will happen. I will explain you what the things I am doing. Pin to pin, I will explain you just for knowing purpose only. I am doing fast. Okay. like I want to show you why we need to keep the resolution 100%. Okay. See, when I am going to navigate to the login button, see what it is happening. I am getting that name. Before it was showing the login name, right? Now, see, when I am placing here, what I am able to see here? Hello.
Okay, search button.
Yeah, okay, search button. So actually in this place, the control is search. If you are clicking this also, automatically you will get search only. So you won't get, actually here nothing is appear, right? But
Yes, ma'am.
you are having okay search. So whenever you are clicking there in empty place also, automatically you are getting okay search button, right? This is the correct way of working? No, right? So this is the problem we will face whenever the application is not with 100%. Okay. So actually they have designed the application in 100%. Even in the organizations also, while developers will create the application, developing the application, they will follow these rules. Okay, they will create the application to 100% resolution only, and the system resolution should be 100%. And whenever you are working with other applications, like some of the these normal applications, it won't have unique controls. Like whenever you are working with the Tosca applications, automatically the developer keeps the controls to unique. Okay, only few things you are not getting unique, that we have identifiers to make the controls unique. But here in some applications, we are not able to make the control unique. So that is the problem, right? If we are not making the control unique, definitely it won't work. So, but in our organizations, like whenever we are working with the Tosca, the developers will follow all these Tricentis rules. Okay. So for that purpose only, we are using demo web shop, and also we will use insurance project also here. Okay. This is the easy way to get hands-on experience for Tosca. And also the Tosca is a paid tool. Remaining some tools are free tools, right? Like Selenium is a free tool. And the BDD framework, Cucumber is also a free thing. Like we need to get only the dependencies. Even for Selenium also, we will get dependencies also. Hmm. So, but like UFT and this TFT, sorry, some of the automation tools in the market, we have paid tools also. But compared to the Tosca, they won't help with working with the different applications. In Tosca, we are able to work with multiple applications, like desktop applications. We are able to work with the help of Tosca, and SAP applications, Salesforce application, and mobile applications. Okay, but coming to the Selenium, here we need to install some other tools also. So then only we are able to work with another applications. So Selenium won't help us to work with the SAP application. So the Tosca will help us to work with the SAP and also Salesforce. So multiple applications we are able to work with a single automation tool. So, and even single line of code also not needed. Even manual testers also, they will do testing easily. So that is why the organizations are moving to the Tosca. Moving to the Tosca in the sense they were not leaving the Selenium. Okay. The Selenium also having that much priority. Even Tosca also. Tosca improving nowadays in the market. Okay. And one more thing, even the prover also drag and drop tool, but we don't have the opportunity to learn with the prover. Like we don't have that much. Like it is a paid tool, right? We don't get the free license also for this prover. But for Tosca, we will get the license easily. Like training license, we will get for the Tosca. That is why learning also very easy for Tosca, and it will also help. Like even manual testing cases also we are able to write in the Tosca. Even we are able to do exploratory testing. Anyone can know about exploratory testing? Okay, I will explain. See, exploratory testing based upon our experience without any requirement. If you are able to do the testing, end-to-end flow you are covering. Like if any new feature are added, also you are working with the application end-to-end. Then we are calling that testing as a exploratory testing. Okay. So that testing also we are able to perform with the help of Tosca automation. Okay, even we are able to record our test cases. How like doing manual test steps. If we record that steps and we are able to convert that test steps to automation, that facility is also available there in the Tosca. These many features we have here in the Tosca. Okay. Any doubts in this? Till now, what we discussed, any doubts in this?
Yep, that's fine from my side. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. You are, please be free. Okay. I'm not taking stick and I'm not, even you are not able to see me also, right? Really, you are ready to talk, open your feelings and whatever there, like you have any doubts, please ask. If you are able to understand or you are not understanding also, please open up and tell me freely. Okay.
Yeah, yes. How can we do this exploratory testing here actually? That means without acceptance criteria, we'll be doing the testing, right? Exploratory testing in the sense.
Yes, you have the option here, right? Exploratory scenario.
Okay.
So I already told you, without having a requirement. Okay, so requirement in the sense like we need like we have complete knowledge on the application. Like it will get around 10 years of experience with your application. Not only 10 years, if you are working more than 3 or 4 years into one application, most of the things you are able to understand in the application. If any new feature added also, with seeing application only you will identify, right?
Yes.
So always we will do testing with the help of requirements only. You will get user stories. In Zira, they will provide like if you are using Zira, you will get requirements from Zira only. In Zira board, they will give user stories and all, right? In work items. If you are using ADO also, they will provide the work items like user stories, right? So without user story, we are not doing the testing, right? So, but based upon your experience, without that requirement, if you are able to see any new requirement was added to your application, you will know that feature, and by clicking that and working with that, you will know each and every scenario, how it will works, after inserting that, what application was changing and all, we are able to identify based upon our experience. So here, without any requirements, if we are doing the testing, okay, it will record that test cases. And after that, we will convert that manual test cases to automation test cases.
Okay, that means it does it convert automatically, or else we need
Yes,
to
that it continuously. Sorry, if you are doing the application testing manually, it will record the steps.
Okay,
So it will only convert to manual to automation.
okay.
Yeah.
That also you will be showing us, right?
Yes, definitely we will show.
Thanks.
Yeah. Even I will show you import export also, and multi-user environment also we are able to learn. Okay. Currently we are working with single user environment. Single user environment in the sense, whatever the files we are saving, that will be stored under our local machine. Okay. In C we are having in C we have this Tosca projects folder. In that Tosca workspaces, so you are whenever you are creating a new project, automatically it is saving in the local folder. That is the single user environment. So multi-user environment in the sense, your complete work should be there in the server. You have an idea with the server, right?
Yes.
Yeah. In the server, we are saving our project. So whatever you are working, you are like while completing of your work, you need to merge your work into the server. Daily you need to do this process. That also I will show you how to do this
Yeah, I
process. Like
understand.
whenever you are,
It's
yeah,
like Git, right? Check in, check out.
yes. In Git, whenever new code needs to pull, we are taking with the help of Git only. We are taking new code, right? Same like that.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Hema, one question. So
Yeah.
regarding this practice software, right? How many days will get Tosca software?
License, you are asking?
What the course is? Course is 45 days. Total, right? The practice is also 45 days, or it's like
No. It will be there around the 3 to 4 months. You see, in for me, before last March, I have created this one. Without any changes, I am using this. Till now, I am getting the same. I didn't change any username and password for this. So in March, I have updated new version with the 16. Before, I am using for training purpose, I am using 13 and 14. So recently, like
information and all, how it will
I'm
be
not.
like we have to download trial version 14 days. It was
Yeah, trial version you won't get for more than 14 days. You will get only 14 days only. After that, the license should be uh, collapse. Here, that won't happen. We are
yeah.
creating a business email ID for you, and we are giving a license for you. We have a separate team. Okay, they will connect with you once the complete process will be done. Our team will connect with you, and they will install the things. And like you have to install Tosca first, we will guide you how to install the Tosca.
Okay.
So after that, we will provide the license for you. Even we will provide the that AS1, AS2 certificates, user ID and password for that site. Like for that, we need this domain ID.
Ma'am, any charges for
Like we,
certification?
I'm not getting.
Charges any for certification?
No, nothing. Completely, it is included in your fee only.
Okay.
No other separate charges for the certification.
Okay.
Yeah. And like you can
Okay.
use your
So we will get around, as you told,
how
from March March means it's more than around
Last March I
almost
have
10
taken.
months, right? So we'll get 4 months. Okay.
Last March I have installed the 16th version. Till that time I'm using the same. I didn't change any username and password. It is continuously coming. And one more thing, if you are getting to know username and password, if we are sharing that username and password to anyone, then it will reduce from your license period.
Okay.
Okay. That is the problem.
Okay, it's a shared license. Okay.
Yes. We will create a new
Means
license for you. It will be up. Yeah, tell me.
sharing means I did not get. So
Actually, suppose you are creating a username and password for Tosca license. Okay. So if you are
okay.
giving your username and password to anyone, definitely
Okay.
it will reduce from your count. Suppose you are having for around 3 to 4 months of time duration for a license period. Okay. Then if you are providing this license to any another one, okay. So
Mhm.
your 4 months should be reduced to 2 months. After 2 months, your license should be expired.
Okay. Which means like they're tracking the IP address.
Yes, yes.
User, how many users are using this one? It's like that, I think, right?
Yeah. Uh, like for you individually, we are giving each and every person, we will give individual license. So there is no problem for you.
4 months. Just 4 months, right?
Yeah, at least 4 to 5 months you will get.
Okay. Okay,
But
because so
if
practice will
any
start
changes,
around
yeah, yeah, tell me. You are
nothing actually.
asking
That's
some.
all. You can go. You can
You
go.
are asking something, Prakash.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, okay. Uh, for like weekly, if you are able to take the class on Saturday, we will take the doubt sessions there. Okay, if you have any doubts to like while working with the Tosca and all, so we will share your screen and we will discuss like that also. Okay, so most
Okay.
probably some of the guys they will get difficulty while drag and drop modules to test cases. So that time they will get more confusion. By dropping into the test case, they will drag to another thing. That also I will show you tomorrow. Okay. While doing that confusions, we will have a Saturday. If you are able to connect on Saturday, so we will take the doubt session and we will clear each and every doubts of you. If you are like you are not able to do means we will connect, like we will share your screen and we will connect and we will discuss. Madhuri, why you are silent today?
Actually, there is some network issue.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Preeti, how are you? Yesterday you are facing some.
Yeah, so I was getting dropped frequently somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Network issues.
Yeah, now it is fine, right? Today?
Yeah, today it is fine.
Yeah. Nazar, yesterday also you didn't spoke anything like.
Yeah, Hema, actually, I'm in journey now, so I couldn't speak.
Okay, you are listening from mobile.
Yes.
Oh, okay, fine. So you are
Yeah.
all working, right? All are working only.
No, actually, Hema, I learned manual testing, but I have did some uh, projects on it, but I didn't work on it.
Okay.
Yeah, Hema.
So, okay. Any doubts related to the course?
This is an end-to-end testing tool, right, Hema?
Yes.
Yeah. Regarding the other things, right? We have for performance, we have NeoLED and all.
In Tosca also we have a neo load and for
Correct. That's what I'm asking. Do you have any other course to cover that also? Else will you take?
no actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it easy to learn actually by looking into the
Which
video?
one? Neo load? Neo
Yeah.
load?
Yes.
Yeah, it is easy. Like when compared to another tools, it is very easy with the Tosca.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, the Tosca is very easy tool. Anyone can easily learn.
With this,
Okay,
with the
all
license which you provide, we cannot practice that one, right?
no, we are not able to do the practice. Some of the tools we have to add on.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Hema, one more question. So,
Yeah, Prakash.
regarding SAP, when will cover at the last or in the middle when you will start? Because my main focus is on SAP only, right? So,
Oh, yours mainly focus on SAP. After
yeah.
completing the frameworks only, we are able to do the SAP. Why means we need to
Okay.
create our own project, right? For SAP, we have to create our own project.
Yeah.
So that time we need to use the frameworks here.
Okay.
So after completing the frameworks only, we are able to do any of the application testing.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
In middle only,
Maybe
we
it will
will
take
discuss
around
with
yeah
at
around
least 30 days.
4
You
to
will
5 days.
32.
We have to deal with
Yeah,
this.
yeah. At least it will take.
Okay.
Yeah. If you are
Okay.
clear with the Tosca, you are ready to do any of the application. That knowledge you will get. Even you are able
Okay.
to work with a Salesforce application also by learning Tosca.
Yeah. Got it.
Shema,
Yeah,
sorry.
Ram.
I'm a bit of doubt, like while we are looking for other opportunities on based upon Tosca, like is that Neo, like what you said, that some guy has asked for the Neo load
For
testing.
Neo.
Yeah.
Yeah, like always we have opportunities with the performance testing.
No, I'm asking for like they need a combination of both Tosca and Neo. Like
Yeah, it is very good combination. Like some, I don't think so. Like whether the people are asking for Tosca with Neo, but people were asking Tosca with CI/CD.
CIC.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like data integration, like we have Tosca with the DI, data integrity.
Okay.
This
That
recently
that we are
I'm
having in this
seeing.
course, right?
No, data integrity we don't have here, but
Okay.
we will guide you how to get that knowledge, like
Okay.
Tosca DI and Tosca Neo load. And however you are having management tool, same like for Tosca also having separate management tools like Qtest. So that I will guide you how to prepare for that.
Okay. For those as well, for those tools also, do we have to complete that like certification, or like do we have any batch?
Yeah, we have like for Qtest also we have 4 or 5 certifications, and even for Neoload also we have certifications. Like yesterday I said, no, the Tosca is an ocean. So many things are there for to learning in Tosca. Like also we have a development course in Tosca, like with the help of C Sharp. Okay.
Okay.
For that you need C Sharp knowledge and a complete engineer, automation engineer. You will become with the help of Tosca. So many certifications we have in Tosca. that is your interest, what are the certifications you need to do. Even for API also we have around 2 to 3 certificates. For SAP also we have 2 certificates. Only for Salesforce we don't have any certificate. Only we have a basic knowledge for Salesforce here in Tosca.
Okay. So that,
Regarding Q test, right?
Yeah.
Do you show like how it will be integrated? Like once we complete the automation testing now in Q test, will it be
Yes.
automatically all the test evidences will update in that Q test,
Yeah.
or how it
No,
will be?
I actually, it is completely
You
related
will show
to.
in the course, right?
I will show you once how we will use Q test in the last of the sessions.
Okay. So manually in Q test, manually only you have to attach the Q test Tosca results, right? There
No,
are it
some
will be
process is there.
automatically
I
gets
need.
updated.
No, actually, some process is there. I will verify and I will let you know. Like my colleagues were working with the Q test.
Okay.
Okay. I will collect the information and I will provide it.
oh, right.
Yeah. But it will not be integrated like HPLM and all. What currently we are using HPLM, so for HPLM it will not integrate, right? Only Q test it will integrate, I think.
No. We are able to work with any of the things. Like actually, we are not integrating that Zero or ALM this into Tosca. Just we are using that requirements and we are creating the scripts here. We are not integrating. But with the Qtest, we are able to integrate for Tosca.
Okay.
Maybe there will be some interlinks
Okay.
should be there, I think. I will verify and I'll let you know for
So
Qtest. Yeah.
finally, we got a conclusion. Like, I'm just my opinion. Like with the Tosca, we need some more other tools like Power, QNet, or like
No, Prover we
Mail.
don't need for Tosca.
Mhm. Okay, I think
Prover
Power
is
is
another drag and drop tool. It is separate. We don't need to learn Tosca. Prover we don't need.
for Q test and EOLoad, we need a Tosca.
Yeah, we need Tosca. Already, this Qtest and NeoLoad is a part of Tosca only. Only little modifications we have to do. Even database also we have to do some settings for the Tosca.
Mhm. Okay.
We are able to do the DB testing and even this TQL also we have.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Hema, can you share device topics that are covered during this training?
You need DB also.
Sorry,
You need DB also.
DB?
A database you are asking, right?
No. I'm asking about device topics.
Oh, database topic. Okay,
Yeah.
I will share you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we will share. Yeah.
And where can I find this recording, Hema?
Actually, our team they will share and they will provide the links for you.
Okay.
Yeah, through your WhatsApp, I think.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Hemlata, Satya
Yeah,
here.
Satya. Yeah, Satya.
Actually, so all this, I mean, the complete Tosca training, it will complete by 30 days, right? In the
Yes.
next 30 days. So we'll be able to work as an experienced person in the Tosca for those application which is eligible Tricentis, right?
Yes. And one more thing, after completion of the course, you need to put some effort to learning manuals and preparing for the interview. You need to discuss on like we have a mock interview. Okay, so that time we will discuss some real time questions. Okay, already we are working with any manual testing application or any automation, we can convert that scenarios to the Tosca automation. How we are able to convert that scenarios to Tosca, like that also we will discuss in that mock interview. Okay.
Okay, so we're able to apply for the job position like 3 to 4 years or 4 to 5 years, like, right? I mean, after
Yes,
completion.
for that you need to put some effort.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, almost whatever the interviewer was focusing areas that completely I will cover. Okay, so if any things we are missing in lessons, we will able to find in the manuals. We have a Tosca manuals we have. Okay, that
Okay.
address we will give you. Okay, with that knowledge, we will improve little more. Like we are not able to say how the interviewer they will ask, right? It is depends upon their mentality and their mood and all. So almost 98% we will cover complete topics related to Tosca.
Okay,
Not
okay.
only with the Tosca, we will cover API and also SAP. So if any something that 2%, you need to put more effort on that learning manuals and working with the SAP modules and understanding the API
Mm-hmm.
concepts. Okay, and if you are taking time like 1 month timing, 1 month after completion of the course, if you will take 1 month time for your preparation week, definitely you are able to put almost 3+ years of experience in your resume for Tosca.
Okay, okay. And
Uh,
and Hemlata, like in this page, what you are showing that one. So here are lots of elements are showing, right? Like the from the starting project, home, view, tools, modules, API testing, and I mean, you are going to explain all this in the next session, or I mean, how you are going to? Yeah, like the test cases is there, modules is.
Actually,
Mhm.
I will discuss based upon the importance. Like already you are working people only.
Mhm.
Okay, so you know the basic structure of the testing. So based upon that, I will cover the topics. We will share the document.
Mhm.
Okay, I will go like based upon your understandings. I will take the course like that only. Not you don't compare with the document. Okay, definitely I will cover whatever there in the document, all things I will cover. But some like based upon the importance, I will cover the topics.
Mhm. Okay, like like there is mentioned search project, scratchbook, object, my area, something is mentioned as the sections and
Yes,
all.
completely we will list. Like you are asking like step by step. Like suppose if we are taking a home, completely
Okay.
this we need to understand. Like we need to discuss in one day. It is not a uh, uh, it is not possible.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Why
okay.
means if today if we are going to explain all this, definitely you will get confused about the things and you
Yeah,
are
I'm just
like
asking like you are going to cover in the next session.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that is great. Yeah,
yeah.
that is
Every scenario we will cover.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
So definitely we will cover, but it will take time
okay, okay,
to
okay.
discuss the topics. Yeah.
That's great. That's great. And also you are going to cover that SAP process, and one of the module is
Yes.
the SAP MM and SD is there, right? So
Yes.
yeah, that is great. That's great.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Thank
Hemant.
you. Thank you all for joining. Tomorrow also same 6 to 7. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, sure, sure.
One thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Saturday, Sunday also we have classes.
If needed, we will take like doubt sessions we will be having.
Hmm. Okay, like tomorrow. Like tomorrow is Saturday, so that's the reason I'm asking.
Okay. I will inform you. Like if
Okay,
for the demo session we will have, I think I will discuss and we will let you know.
okay,
Okay.
that's.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you all.